Good morning. This is Dr. Naina Shah from Manthan Center for Human and Organization Development, based in Ahmedabad. Okay, we do lot of work for students who are adolescents, adults, uh, young adults getting into new careers. Okay, and we do counseling, we do testing, and career guidance for and behavioral skill workshops also for these children. Uh, Now this today I would like to talk on a topic which would be very close to their hearts and is occurring in all around us today, which is that we are all affected by the pandemic. We are all sitting homes. We have nothing to do in life. Okay, so how do I really utilize my time meaningfully so that I'm not bored, I'm not tired, I'm not fatigued, I'm not always fighting with my parents or my siblings, I'm not always shouting over the phone over, oh God, I'm stuck in a place and I don't know what to do. So I think some of the activities which these young adolescents can do is, uh, one thing is that because they have access to computer, they can do lot of research in fields which are different, not the standard fields which are the regular day-to-day subjects, but like something about the earth, something about the ocean, something about the environment. So they can do lot of research and reading on such topics which are not their day-to-day classroom routine subjects. That's one activity that they can do. Another activity which they can do is they can also do lot of artwork, creative work, like drawing, painting, ceramic, wall paintings, cloth painting. So I think lot of oligraphy. A lot of people have also like do all this. Even old women, old people also do spend time sitting at home and do the creative work. So even if you do little creative work, it can be very meaningful to you in this time of pandemic. Another activity which also occurs to me is the activity of cooking. Okay, like can you also, because cooking is also very very fulfilling, very enriching, very close, and you will also be helping your mother or your father in the kitchen if you're cooking, because cooking is also a very very therapeutic activity. So even if you cook different, it's not that you have to cook fancy meals, you can even cook your day-to-day meals, but that also will give you a lot of pleasure and lot of satisfaction in life that you have done something for yourself. Doing exercise at home. Okay, you may not be able to go to the gym or around, but at least in the room you can do some sit-ups, some jumping, some yoga. Okay, you also will be very very helpful for you. Like especially yoga, pranayam also are very good activities which anybody can do. It's not that only the adults do yoga. Yoga can be done by anybody of your age group. So even if you do little bit of yoga, some exercise, physical exercise also is what you can do. Another thing which you can also do is what you can make some things which are used for the world. Okay, some like you can make masks, you can make boxes, you can make some things which you feel can be used by the outside world. Okay, so you can even sit home and make those things so that you can sell them or even distribute them free of charge depending on what you want. You can even do making those things at home which can be sold or distributed outside the world right now.